Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Rainbow 6 not launching. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go back. Now go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right click and Updates, and do the same thing to the next one. Go back and now click here, go to the GeForce Experience and then click drivers and make sure to install any update that you will find. After that, restart your PC and test it. No problem, must be fixed, and see you in the next video.